Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about another important aspect of Darwin's theories of evolution is artificial selection. Now, Darwin noted down that humans have modified other species by selecting and breeding individuals with desired traits, and this process is known as artificial selection. He drew two inferences from his observation. The first one is that members of a population often vary in their inherited traits. And the second was that all species can produce more offsprings than the environment can support, and many of these offsprings fail to survive and reproduce because of the overburden. Now, other important evidence that influenced Darwin, it was the fact that breeders and farmers could develop many varieties of domesticated animals in just a few generations. How did they do that is that they chose certain traits and they bred only individuals that exhibited those traits. And this is a process which is known as artificial selection. For example, breeders, they have produced different dog varieties, although it's the same species, but you can see quite a change in their size, structure, and other things. For example, there are many varieties of dogs which are available. For example, we have bloodhounds, we have Dalmatians, we have Airedales, then Border Collies and Pekingese. These are all different varieties of dog which have been bred and resulted through the artificial selection. Now, similarly, many plant varieties have also been produced by the artificial selection. For example, we have the same species, Brassica oleracea, but through the artificial selection, we have the same species but very different types. For example, cabbage and broccoli, they are same species, but you can see the difference. They are very different from each other. Then we have Brussels sprout, cauliflowers, collard green, kale, kohlrabi, and these are very distinct vegetable crops. They are all member of same species, Brassica oleracea, but they have been developed through the process of artificial selection. Similarly, Darwin was very much impressed by these changes which are induced by the artificial selection, and he hypothesized the similar selective changes. He said that these are also done by nature also select by favoring certain organism with certain characteristics. This analogy between artificial selection of domestic varieties and natural selection in nature was a vital element of Darwin's argument in his famous note, Origin of Species. Darwin therefore used artificial selection as a model when he developed this important point of his theory of evolution.